Ivory Coast, also known as Côte d'Ivoire, is a country located in West Africa. It is bordered by Liberia and Guinea to the west, Mali and Burkina Faso to the north, and Ghana to the east. To the south, it has a coastline along the Gulf of Guinea, also part of the Atlantic Ocean. Ivory Coast is an amazing country. The people.
Quand on veut t'asseoir, moi je vais me donner
the food. So this is acheke goto. Man, so this is our futu with sauce trobo. C'est pas bien. C'est bien. Ah, c'est bien. Ah, pas not. Oh, c'est bien. C'est bien. Man, c'est bien. C'est bien propre. The culture, the infrastructure. Man, I wish I've been here a long time ago. So today we are going to Ivory Coast. Yes, I'm taking you on a trip to Ivory Coast. If I've never been to Ivory Coast before, trust me, you are missing out big time. Or you can watch this video to have a feel about Ivory Coast, especially Abidjan. So there are two ways you can get to Côte d'Ivoire from Ghana. It's either by air or by road. But since it's most expensive to travel by air, I took the cheapest one, which is by road. And also with that, we have the bus and the mini bus. The main bus is the STC and the mini one is the Ford or the Benz Sprinter. Though by road, it has its own challenges, but then it's also worth it because you'll be seeing a lot of things and learn on the road. And I'll talk about those challenges as the video is going forward. So the trip starts at Kaneshi. So I joined this mini bus at Kaneshi to Elibo. And according to Google Map, the distance is 6 hours, 25 minutes. And the ticket per person is 160 Ghana cedis at the time of the recording of the video. It was 9:30 a.m. in the morning and we took off from Kaneshi, Accra. The skies were blue and it was partially cloudy. One thing about long distance travel is it's never complete without a headset to listen to your favorite collection of music. I don't know about you, but for me, a trip without music is boring. So the importance of the ticket is that even once the bus have taken off, you don't need to throw it away. You still have to keep it on you just in case something happens. You're able to declare yourself that you have tickets. Okay, so the ticket is really important that you keep to yourself until your final destination. So I was so happy and scared at the same time because it was my first time traveling with Ford. And Ford also has this history of overspeeding and causing accidents. So this is one of the reasons why many Ghanaians don't like patronizing the minibus because they claim they overspeed and cause accidents on the road. What do you think? Share your experience in the comment section. When traveling from Accra to Elibo, you definitely meet many of the heavy-duty trucks on the road. Most of them are carrying imported goods from Togo and Ghana to Côte d'Ivoire and other West African countries. So we got to Elibo at 3:40. Okay, so they have a station where the minibus will go and park. You take your bag. If you want to change currency from cedis to CFA, you do it. Okay, but since I was going with the minibus, I had to get someone who helped me cross, and I also didn't understand or speak French. I mean, that's when Mr. Moses came in. What's your name? Moses. So he's helping me cross. So if you want to come to Côte d'Ivoire, I'll have his contact number in the video. You can call him and he'll help you out. Yes, record. But with the STC will take you straight to the border point. You check in, cross to the Côte d'Ivoire side, you go get your stamp, then straight to Abidjan. But with the minibus, it's different. You have to do everything by yourself. So this bus left me 3 hours before I took off, and I mean I've met them at Elibo at the border. Yeah, and I'm going, and they're still here because they have to wait for all the passengers to come. Man, it took off at 6:30 and I took off at 9 and we're all here at the same time. Anyway, here's Elibo. No way. Okay, Elibo is the other side. And here's what? No way. Okay, no way. Côte d'Ivoire border, no way. Surprisingly, I saw one of my followers. I don't know how he was able to spot me. Yes, sir. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Man, French border, always there's a chaos about payment of stamp. It's serious. I don't know the ECOWAS, what the ECOWAS means, but then it's serious. 10,000 CFA, and he has to plead because and when they pretend they don't even understand English, right? Yeah. They pretend they don't even understand English and they'll be speaking the French, and he had to plead to 5,000. Wow. Amazing. And one funny thing is, I don't know why it's a lot of frustration to video at the border. Wanted to take Goodbye Ghana video, and the guy at the checkpoint was like, no, you can't do this.
Anything.
We know you knew. Yes, my moon traveler.
Ah, okay, goodbye. Sorry. Your content creators, I thought I'm crossing to
it's not that long.
I don't know why there's this kind of frustration at the borders. So after getting my bus and now I'm in Côte d'Ivoire, I need to go get my bus to Abidjan. The STC bus will take you straight to Abidjan, but since I'm on the mini bus, I have to do everything by myself, bit by bit. So I got my Abidjan bus, and at this point I wish I've taken my French lesson serious. But then Mr. Moses helped me translate, got me a ticket and everything. So I'm in Norway in Côte d'Ivoire. Man, you see how I'm sweating. It's not easy to come to Francophone country without speaking French. So this guy over here, Moses, what's your name? Moses, yeah. So he helped me cross Ghana to Libo to Norway, which is the Côte d'Ivoire border. Man, if I wait for you to come to Côte d'Ivoire and want something to help you French or help you cross, there's the man. The number of viewers, what am I saying?
0244907442.
Okay, so that's the number. Call him if you want to come to Côte d'Ivoire and he'll help you out. Man, it's not easy. Je m'appelle, c'est fois caché. It's not. I'll call the red. I thank you, man. What? On the stretch from Norway station to Abidjan, there are lots of police checkpoints on the road. At some point, you have to come down from the trotro, as we call it in Ghana. You have to come down with your luggage and everything, and then police people will search through your bag to see what you have. I had some painkillers, and these police immigration officers were asking me to bring some description. I was like, man, this is just normal painkiller. It's a para. You don't need description for para. If you are going with the minibus, that's the kind of challenges that you go through. But with the STC, they don't face those kind of challenges. You are in the bus and that's it. You go free to go. So because of this police checkpoint on the way, it delayed me. So I got to Abidjan around p.m. Man, it's really beautiful. Okay, seeing Abidjan at night from Grand Bassau to Kumasi, it's really beautiful. It's really beautiful. So Abidjan is the largest city and the economic hub of Ivory Coast. Man, I love what I'm seeing already. The blue water, the clean and the orderly roads, the skyscrapers, the people, the food. Man, this is so awesome. You don't want to miss out of these. So brothers and sisters, you know why we are here. Yes, we are here to taste and also teach you how to prepare some indigenous Ivorian food like aloko, acheke, sauce grain, sauce gropo, fufu and futu. That's amazing. They have fufu and futu in Côte d'Ivoire, and the ingredient that they use to prepare is amazing. It's fantastic. And also be trying some street food. I'll take you to the market in Abidjan and a whole lot in the subsequent video. So if this is the first time watching, kindly share, subscribe, and make sure you don't miss everything. Or I'm out.